Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Smart home base from Tapo, the model H500 with Matter support, all in one security center from TP-Link. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice, I like the design. We have the manuals, Ethernet cable, 1 meter the length, Cat 5, some screws, 4 screws, and the power adapter with an output 12 volt, 2 amps, 24 watts power consumption. And the cable length, it is 1.2 meters. It can connect up to 15 Tapo cameras and 64 sensors, allowing you to build your smart home ecosystem. Now here we have the status LED, the LAN LED and the disk LED. 4 buttons here. We have the answer sync button. Press once to answer the video call. Press and hold for 3 seconds, enter pairing mode. The decline and mute button, decline the video call or silence the alarm. And we have the volume buttons, down and up. Very soft here, this area, I like that. The Tapo has a built-in microphone and speaker that enable real-time two-way audio, and with a built-in 110 decibel alarm siren, the system automatically triggers alert for unfamiliar faces, providing robust safety and keeping your home secure. Here we have the pot holder, soft elements, I like it. You can have your tablet, very convenient. Closes and open very easy. Soft elements at the bottom here, I like that. And we have the connections, 5 volt 1.5 amp Type-C port for charging your devices, like the battery powered cameras from Tapo. The port cannot transfer any data. 5 volt 0.5 amp USB port for exporting data to another device. HDMI output port for high definition audio and video signals. You can connect it to a TV or monitor to project camera videos. The device supports router connection via Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi only, and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only for cameras. We have the reset button, the power input, connect the power adapter here. It has a powerful AI that recognizes and tags strangers, family and friends to easy identification. And of course we need to connect the HDD with 16 GB of built-in local storage and expandable storage of up to 16 TB. Just press here and remove this cover. And then we need a screwdriver. Remove the screw. And we can remove this tray to install a 2.5 SATA HDD or SSD. You can securely store all your footage at home. It even supports offline recording. It goes at this position, and of course we need these 4 screws. Perfect. And then you can cover. Magnetic cover, I like that. Small with amazing design. Now let's take a look how it works that by starting first the setup. Use the Tapo app to adjust all the settings and options to your needs. Add a device. Hubs HomeBase, Tapo H500. You can choose Ethernet wired or wireless. Ethernet, next. LED blinking green slowly. You can rename the device, next. Where have you placed the Tapo device? Living room, next. You can choose an icon, next. Complete. Adjust the firmware update. Got it. Connect existing devices. Connect. Congratulations. You can add device to your hub. I can do that later. Skip. Some information for the hard drive. And done. There it is. We can see Ethernet wired. You can choose wireless connection, set up Wi-Fi network. Only 5 GHz. Enter the password. Next. Network connected. And there it is, connected. You can test the Wi-Fi signal or switch Wi-Fi. Connect devices, manage, add a device, set up a new device. Tapo or Matter. Tapo can pair and control your Matter compatible devices. You can scan QR code, enter setup code manually. Or Tapo devices. Let's say the sensor Tapo T110. Next. Is blinking. You can rename the device again. Next. Choose the location, icon, check firmware, update now. You can watch the guide and done. There it is, we have another device. Facial recognition. You can enable. Go to enable. Add devices. Save. And there is the device. Later I will add another one. And of course you can edit. Storage. The remaining capacity, total 930 GB. Loop recording disable enable. Tapo. Save recordings, you can disable that or enable. For this device, recording schedule, you can edit. For continuous recording, it is the blue. Detection recording, it is the orange. And not recording, it is the white. Clear all. Select all, continuous or detection recording. Clear all again. Continuous recording. Done. 24/7. Storage location. Hub. There it is. Clear all recordings of this camera, okay? Camera storage, there is no micro SD. You can choose only the camera storage. Add the hub. Playback. Clear all recordings again for this camera. And of course you can format hard drive or internal storage or delete all. Let's add another device. Connect the existing devices. The Tapo C560WS, I have made a video, you can check down below the description or after the end of this video. It is a very good camera, 4K camera. Connect. Got it. The process is very easy. So we have two devices monitoring. AI empowerment, add device, save, and there is then the second device, the new device. Facial recognition, vehicle, pet and person detection. Setup detection, and you can adjust the auto tracking, motion detection. I have made a video so you can watch after the end of this video. Right now we are making a video for the hub. And of course you can edit to delete, add another device, storage location, you can choose the hub or the camera. It has a micro SD. You can format, the same in here. Wi-Fi backup. When enabled, your camera will automatically switch to the optimal network between your home Wi-Fi and the hub's hotspot. Live view. And you can go to live view and watch the camera. You can manage the other device again and add the facial recognition, familiars it is 0 and stranger 0. When someone approaching at the camera, you will see all these values. Camera playback, and here you can watch all the footage. You can adjust with your finger in the position you want to move, pause, and of course you can choose other days. Depending the capacity of your hard drive, maximum 16 TB, you will have an ample storage. And of course you can take a screenshot, save it to download, play, and you can start recording what are you seeing at this moment. Stop recording and it will save it to memory. You can crop, adjust, maximum 10 minutes. Clip and download, and you can go at the download, there it is, the icon, and you can watch the process. Delete. Here we have all the files. You can pause, share, favorite, download or delete. And the filters, all you can choose. We have all the events, face recognition, line crossing alerts, person detection, motion detection. You can see everything here. And you can choose the cloud or the storage. But why you want to use the cloud? You have so many storage at your hard drive. Maximum 16 TB. Screen mirror, cast your screen via HomeBase, streamline management via dashboard, explore more casting possibilities. One screen or 4 screen, I like that. One screen. Configure the connect you want to display on the screen when you are mirroring. Camera live view or clock. Okay, it is from the camera, remove, clock. And there it is. You can see how it looks at my huge 50-inch display. Dashboard management, create a new, 4 screens, clock for the first camera and for the second camera. Create. Start. And there it is, you will have live streaming the two cameras and the clock. You can add another camera. I like it. Mirror settings. Dashboard carousel. OK. Drag to organize. Save. And it will change interval time from 1 minute to 60 minutes. Nice. I like it. That is very convenient. If you have 4 cameras, you can use the hub with your huge TV and watch live all the cameras. Privacy mode is on. I can adjust. On again the camera. Camera audio is off. On. Pause. And resume. The same adjustments and for the other camera. It has and the light, I can turn on the spotlight. I like this camera. So many options to adjust to your needs. Run in background or stop mirroring. Run in background, we can say. OK, USB access. Connecting the USB. Connected. Max storage. Start new backup, video backup, backup recording storage on your HomeBase to an external USB storage drive, or USB sharing. Backup device, this one, or you can choose both. Event types, you can choose some of these, or all. Backup time frame, all day, from 1st to 6th November. Start backup. Backup storage, backup items. Confirm. Do not remove the USB device before backup is complete. Got it. And we can see in real time backup storage. You can end the backup. I like it. That is very convenient. Backup complete. 9 successful. Failed 0. Start new backup. Backup history. Or USB sharing. Access authentication. When enabled, you need the username and the password. Time machine. How to use the time machine. Connect your Mac to the same Wi-Fi network as your HomeBase. I don't have a Mac. USB settings, network media server, the name, media sharing, it is on, network neighborhood, on, FTP, local enable TLS support, if you want. Scan for USB devices. Another cool feature. Play ringtone. That is very loud. Ring log. We can see all the logs and you can go back. Now let's move on at the settings. Device info. Some information for the device. Ringtone. Custom sound. You can choose from 1 to 10. 10 it is very loud. Wow, that is very loud. from 5, 10, 30 seconds or 1, 5 or 10 minutes, and you can choose custom. Again, maximum it is 10 minutes. Network connection, again Ethernet or wireless. Disable enable the LEDs. Migrate connected devices. Select a hub. If you have a second hub, we'll transfer the connected devices you need from Tapo H500 to your selected hub. I like that. No need to reset your devices. Bind to Matter, it is on beta. Add the Tapo hub and its connected devices to other Matter compatible ecosystems via setup code. Device sharing to other members of the family. They need to have a TP-Link account, enter the email. Smart actions. You can create automations. I have made a video in the past how you can create automations. You can check down below the description. Together with other devices from Tapo and TP-Link. Playlist TP-Link Tapo. Diagnostics. You can enable this feature only when something is wrong. Support center. You can contact. Disable enable the favorite. Firmware update. Auto reboot. You can schedule. Reboot now or remove the device. To use these 4 buttons, you need to have a video doorbell from Tapo. For compatible models, you can check right in the corner. You can just press once this button for answer the call, or decline, or silent the alarm. And of course, you can decrease or increase the volume for the speaker. For me, the biggest wins are the peace of mind that comes with 16 TB of local storage and the clarity of face recognition. The smart HomeBase is the brain of the Tapo security ecosystem. It offers the power of local recording and advanced AI, which dramatically improves your connected cameras and sensors. As a smart integration for your security devices, the smart HomeBase makes managing your home network simple, secure, and reliable. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any more smart home reviews and setup guides. Thanks for watching, stay smart and secure, and I'll see you in the next one.